Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Cullo from Cullo Personal Training, and to continue with our home workout exercises, we're going to talk about the push-up. Now push-up's pretty basic, everybody knows how to do one, but can you do it properly, and are you using the right muscle groups? Lots of people when they're doing a push-up have a hunched back, are using lots of shoulders, are hunched forward, chest isn't out, their bum's up in the air, and they're not using their pecs at all. And it's an exercise you really want to be using your big chest muscle on. So it's important to keep the shoulders back. We talked about posture in past videos. Push your chest out and really try to squeeze your pecs together so that they're flexed as you push through the push-up motion. Also, as we talked about in the plank, you want to keep your body nice and flat. So your bum's not up in the air and your shoulders aren't up in the air. Your body's nice and flat, as if there was a stick on your back. It will be touching your head, your upper back, your bum, and your feet. So I'll demonstrate one for you right now. Also, you want to make sure that your body stays rigid. You don't want to move your shoulders without your bum moving, and so forth and so on. So I'll show you a good one, and then I'll show you a bad one. So a good one's going to look like this. Hands spaced out so that they're beside your chest, not up at your shoulders, but beside your chest. Body rigid, tummy tight. Push yourself up, down, and up. That's going to be a good one. Now I'll show you some of the mistakes that people sometimes do. So either your hips are going to be sagging down, or they're going to be way up in the air. Also, as you go down, don't let yourself rest on the ground, and then peel yourself up off the ground. Make your body nice and rigid, shoulders back, chest out. Inhale, exhale, and you're done. Thanks for watching secretsoftherippedman.com, and we'll see you in our next video.